Good morning, guys. Purdy and Figg. I don't know if you guys have heard about this product. It's amazing. So I'm gonna unbox it to show you guys what I got. So literally, look how nice. I love the packaging. It's just so classy. So, ooh, very, very aromatic. Okay. So these are scents, okay? These are some kind of aromatic scents, you know, like your lavender, like your essential oil scent that, you know, helps you to relax. So these are the steps. It says pour the whole 20 ml content into your bottle for life. Okay, so we've got bottle for life. So you pour whatever one you want into this bottle for life. Then you spray it around the house. You know what is good, right? You know that lavender is really great for helping to calm, to like, you know, unwind to sleep. My son struggles with sleep, so this is a very, very good thing for him. This is going to come in very handy because I'm going to spray this on his pillow, and that's going to help him to like settle down and maybe hopefully sleep. So I'm so grateful for this package, and I can't wait to just start using it straight away. So this is what I got. As you can see, I've got the lavender one, linen, is it linden and lavender. Okay, this is what it looks like, and it's very rich. Like I can smell the lavender even without trying, without opening it. It's so nice. Then I got another one which is geranium and ylang. It matches my clothes this morning, matches my top. Okay, and then the last one is the amazing citronella and nerilo or niauli. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but it's like, I'm sure this is like citrus related. So this is it, and again the smell is so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead. I know you have this lovely towel. It's like kitchen towel that you can use to wipe things up. Look at the size of it, so good, so literally great quality, and it's got the name written on here. So this is very nice. I love it already. So I'm gonna follow the instruction, and I'm gonna make this. Fill the neck with water. Okay, and gently shake to mix together. Spray onto surface around the home and find it. Wow. So if you have this thing, your house will never smell bad again. I'm being honest. Let's be honest. African people have a tendency to cook. Not just African, Asian people. You wouldn't tell an Asian household if you're passing on the street sometimes, because they be cooking a lot of, you know, their food. So if you don't want the whole thing to linger around your house, then you need this product. You need this product. You see that masala? You see that pounded yam soup? You see that chicken tikka masala, jollof rice? Yes, it smells good and it tastes great, but you don't want the smell to linger, to hang around after you finish cooking and everything. So this is the thing you need, literally, to get rid of it. So I'm going to prep it so you guys can see, okay? And I love this bottle because it's like very trendy, very cute, very demure. So let me prep it so that I can show you guys, okay? I'm going to get water. So I've got my water here, and then obviously I'm going to go ahead, open this, and it's got obviously the nozzle. And then I'm going to be going with my citronella because, you know, I like anything citrus. Ooh, oh my god. Oh wow, so beautiful. It says so drop the whole thing. I'm actually crying. I feel like I don't want to put all of it all in one, but the whole thing, right? Wow, this is beautiful. So I'm going to go in and fill up this with the whole water. So that's full, and I'm going to go ahead and close it. Wow, my house is about to smell good. So I'm going to give it a shake, and then we try it out, okay? You need to turn on the nozzle, okay? Oh, you see that? Oh my god. Like, listen, they have sold me. I'm going to be coming back and exploring every other product that they have, because this is so, like, it smells so great. Bye bye bad odor, and hello beautiful smell, because now I cannot stop using this product. I love it so much. So really, thank you so much, Purdy and Figg. This is amazing. Again, Purdy and Figg. I hope that I'm pronouncing it right. But yeah, thank you so much, Purdy and Figg. If you're like me, and if you don't like your food lingering, and if you don't like you, especially if you have pets as well, this is amazing as well. Get rid of all of that smell. So definitely grab it. I've got a discount code, guys. So I will be linking this. I will be putting this discount code below so that you can go ahead and help yourself. This is for me actually, but I'm going to share it with you guys because I want you guys to enjoy what I'm enjoying. So go ahead, use discount code 20% off and grab yourself some. And really, you don't need to thank me. The result will blow your mind. That's all I have to say. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Have a nice day. Bye bye.